Hi Besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We are totally opposites. Shannon got lethal injections. And I did not.
No, Lethal Cosmetics did a mystery bundle, and it's not a brand that Jen gets excited about, but they've been stalking me on Facebook for so long, and I've been watching for them to do something like this, so yay.
Yes.
I'm so excited. This was, how much was this? $50? And I think it's a $100 value. Yeah.
Was it?
I think so.
Okay. So I'm just going to jump right in here.
Okay. These feel like singles.
Oh.
Ooh. These are eyeshadow singles. They're magnetic, so if you have a magnetic thing. Do they have color names? They Pulsar and
Look, it's doing the green.
Oh.
But we look at it and we see purple blue.
Yeah, we see purple blue. I'm gonna swatch this because it's beautiful.
And this is like a coordinating. Whoa.
Whoa, that's definitely purple there.
But it looks green blue in purple pink up there. That's crazy.
That's beautiful.
There's a lot of colors
happening.
I'd say yes.
Yes. Well, absolutely. And the other one is called Recall. It's a kind of a dark purple. Let's swatch it.
I think it's going to look good with
that.
Yeah, it's going to bring out some of the purple.
Can you use it kind of as a smoky situation?
Yeah, or an eyeliner maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Or a base, and then put that on top.
Yes, that would be pretty too.
Seems one of us needs to go to the gym. It's been a minute.
It has. Okay.
Sir.
Yep.
Oh, that's a beautiful, deep, rich purple.
I want you to touch that.
Velvet.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Look at those. Those will be perfect together.
Okay, so let me tell you what I like about this. I can't wear a purple that leans blue or pink.
No, this is true purple.
This is a true purple, and these look good on me. Oh, I'm jealous.
And that, like, buttery velvet.
Yes. Yep.
That's why as soon as I touched it, I said, you have to touch this.
I am really jealous. Those are beautiful.
I've never tried
beautiful
this brand,
colors.
so I'm...
Okay.
This is... Oh, mascara. Oh.
They do mascara?
This is the Lethal Cosmetics Charged Mascara.
Is it green?
I don't know. I'm a little
scared.
Thinking it might be green. It's in the color Relay, and the color sticker is green. I hope if it's green, I hope it's dark green and not. It's green, but it's.
Ooh, it's dark. It's olive.
Yeah, which is I'm perfectly okay with.
Okay. So I think it's going to bring out the green in your eyes.
I like doing an olive eye too.
Yeah.
So that's kind of interesting. I've
never seen a green like that.
No.
Before.
No.
Okay. Avatar,
The Last Airbender makeup sponge.
Aw, that's cute.
It says my cabbage is on it. It is cute, just a little puffer guy. Oh, it's a cabbage leaf on the back.
Cabbage?
It says my cabbages. I don't know anything about The Last Airbender. Want to touch it?
Oh, it feels nice.
Yeah.
It feels kind of silicone-y though.
Mm-hmm.
That's a cabbage, or
I don't know.
is that the marijuana?
I mean, I don't know. It's from a cartoon.
Oh. What?
All I know is it says my cabbages. I don't know anything about the show. I don't know. I don't know anything about the show.
If you know, can you straighten us out? Because I
Tell
don't
us
know.
about the cabbages.
The cabbages. All right, this is the Big Daddy.
Okay. Ooh.
Ooh.
This is the
This looks like it's going to.
palette.
Did you look at it? I saw that one.
I know you went looking at their website after I ordered this palette. And this palette, they probably retail for like $65. Their palettes aren't cheap.
I think this is black and red and gold.
Which I'm good with.
I know. I think this is.
They do this little. Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay. The colors. This color is a little wacky to me. The bright green.
Yeah, I agree. I think everything else is cohesive, but that stands out in kind of a negative way.
But maybe.
Okay, so that's going to look really interesting with your mascara. Oh, that shimmer is stunning.
Okay. I don't have enough. These sleeves don't pull up very good. Swatch the whole palette. So I'm going to continue on the middle row.
Oh, that is such a
look at that
pretty deep red. Ooh, which one was that?
That was hemotoxin.
I don't even know what that means. Ooh.
It's not showing up on camera the way it...
No, it is not.
It's like a...
It's a very delicate...
like duochrome...
pink taupe silver.
Wait, that's this one. Hold on. Oh, it's rattle. It looks like this. It's this color in the pan. But on my finger, look what it's doing.
Oh, it's going green yellow.
Yeah.
Oh. That is very interesting.
Yeah.
Can you swatch that one?
I'm going to swatch the whole thing.
Ooh.
This is the bottom row. Oh, that's a nice red. Yeah.
Wow.
That's like blood red. I didn't swatch very good.
Okay.
Which one was it that you wanted? This one?
The one on the bottom, yeah.
So I'm going to swatch that one again, since that's the one you wanted to see. There's a bit of fallout on this palette.
Is there?
We'll look at the palette already.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a, what is that?
I don't know.
Like a purpley
pinky
orchid?
maybe?
Maybe?
Okay, top row.
Oh, that's delicious. This is a beautiful transition color. This one right here. Oh, I love that. That transition color.
That color. That like purple.
Like a tan? Purple tan, maybe? Is that what it looks like?
Purple and copper.
Wow.
So I'm not gonna lie. Look, I don't swatch very hard either, but look at the palette already. You would make such a mess of it.
Yep, that palette would be gone in 3 weeks.
So the mattes especially are very soft and powdery, which isn't my favorite type of formula. But I think the palette's beautiful, and I'm really excited.
Thank goodness you go in with a light hand with a brush.
I do. So it's not my favorite kind of formula, but I don't have trouble with those kind of formulas.
Yes.
So $50. This alone retails for more than that, I'm sure. This is really interesting mascara.
Yes.
These singles are pretty, and they're not in a realm where I can't use it with the palette too.
Yeah.
The sponge is fine.
The sponge is fine. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm missing a lip or a cheek.
Yeah, it's all eye.
I do wish, I mean, I'm assuming that they would do lips and cheeks.
They do lips and cheeks, yes.
But I would have liked to see one.
I would too.
Yeah. Still a great
It's a great value.
A great set, right up your alley.
Yeah, like I'm excited. Somebody, one of our members, when you pick your topic for the challenge, please think of me. I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm excited to use this at some point this year and let you guys know in a monthly wrap up what I actually think of it.
Exciting.
Did you get in on this? Have you used Lethal Cosmetics? Should I try their lip products? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.